Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings to all the Somali communities around the world. My name is Abdi Yusuf Abdi. I'm conducting a research study which its purpose is to answer my research project questions for the completion of my master's degree. The research project title is Unearthing the Causes of the Somali Civil War Under the Climate Change, with the research question being, can the denial of environmental justice for the indigenous community be the sources of the Somali crisis? You are invited to take part in this research project by answering the questions with comments of your thoughts. The purpose of the project is to uncover the causes of the Somali Civil War and the climate change. My research questions are, can the denial of environmental justice for the indigenous community be the sources for the Somali crisis? My focus is the relationship between the environmental injustice and the climate change, including the question of fair treatment, social justice, human rights, spiritual capital, religion, political and economic justice, marginalization, and the segregation histories of the Somali communities, and how the environment and the creatures are cared or neglected. For example, the issues of deforestation and the loss of animals. Can the consequences of injustices lead Somalia to destruction? My target population are the Somali communities in general, particularly the so-called Somali minorities or indigenous communities living around the world. The target participants are the Somali indigenous community, including Somali Bantu, Jarirweyne, Gaboye, Madiban, Banadiri, Bajuni, Barava communities, and also the Somali in general, including intellectuals, religious scholars, elders, leaders, teachers, youth representatives, community-based organizations and non-governmental organizations, and the politicians from across the political divide. The researcher of this study is Abdi Yusuf Abdi, which its email is there. And also this research will be supervised by Dr. James Willis at the University of Roehampton, London, which is the program director of this program. Thank you very much for taking part of this research study, and I really appreciate for your thoughts. Thank you again.